Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about can Bitcoin mining hardware. Here are some Bitcoin miner hardware that can be an option that we can do using a Bitcoin mining machine is the most common nowadays. CPU Central Processing Unit. As Bitcoin miners, we must have a CPU or Central Processing Unit or a Central Processing Unit. Every computer that will do Bitcoin mining must have a compatible CPU so that when you get mathematical problems when mining can be overcome quickly. But along with the rapid development of Bitcoin, CPU is become insufficient and begin to switch to GPUs as GPU graphics processing unit. GPU or graphics processing unit is a computer processing unit that can work faster than the CPU when we can solve math problem faster. It means we can win the race in mining faster and will get a price normally Bitcoin. FPGA Finley program get arrived. FPGA Finley programmable get arrived is a system of computer processing unit that can be used to mini Bitcoin. As we previously explained about what a Bitcoin miner. A Bitcoin miner is a now way to get Bitcoin with way of working now as blockchain just like CPUs and GPUs. FPGAs work to solve math problem in order to earn Bitcoin. However, I don't know, however, and to lie. Asik, over time and the development of Bitcoin itself comes special well or working on Bitcoin now as ASICs. What is ASICs? See the review in the next session. ASIC implementation specific interested circuit. ASIC are application specific integrated circuit is special hardware for Bitcoin mining which is currently the best Bitcoin miner and trusted Bitcoin mining tool. If you want to win the race and min Bitcoin a lot today, the hardware used is ASIC was created especially to be applied to mine larger amounts of free Bitcoin like a Bitcoin mining calculator in addition to pay Apple to calculate quickly. It can also generate significant amount in the table below. Below there is a comparison of the various ASICs that are overall use. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on bell. Thank you.